Okay, composers, it's time for Comp Project 2, which will also serve as your final project. For this project, you will need to take a 3 to 5 minute video with dialogue from archive.org. It can be self-contained, or it can be an excerpt of a larger film. Just crop accordingly in Ableton, Logic, or Reaper. Using the instruments in your DAW of choice, any external instruments, either live or virtual, and at least one singer who you have to record, you will create a musical score for the clip. You will need to insert locators at important points, decide on appropriate tempos, and use sounds that fit the selected clip. You should have at least 4 instruments in addition to any voices. For a text, you may either reinterpret the dialogue of the original clip in the form of an opera or musical, or you can replace all dialogue with a public domain text or a text that you write yourself. Remember that things like Noetry are also possible as well. The sung text should be approximately synced to the lip movements of the characters on screen. Use volume, panning, and reverb to create a sense of space and to move the vocals as needed, and use automation to crescendo and decrescendo appropriately. The project should be created at a sample rate of 48K and should be rendered at 1080p, which again is 1920 by 1080, or the highest video resolution available if it's lower than that and would otherwise distort the video. These will be screened at a showing during finals week. For next week, you need to have the following. Decide on the film clip that you will work with. You'll submit a link and start and end times if it's not the entire clip. The instrumentation and how it's laid out in terms of panning and the text that you're going to be using. Plan it out and create a basic sketch of the cues that you need to create at each locator mark. You will work on scoring the project over the next few weeks. Write this all up and submit it to the forum to share with the class.